All right, so another question on following Total 3. Yes, we should be looking at this in order, right? Alt season will likely be the flip order, right? Total 3 will be leading the way night and day. If you're waiting to get into alts, I'd wait for some kind of, capitulation if that's to come. I'm not sure of that. I would think more likely is that, we're putting in kind of on this trend line, right? Maybe higher lows from the bear market bottom. And, maybe we get a brief touch point of this, maybe not. That's not too far from where we are, right? So there's no guarantees that we go down anymore or a whole lot more. I mean, we're looking at, 5, 6%. We're looking at, this order block down here, 300 billion, right? There's a lot of money down here. So, I doubt it. Now, if you want to be super safe, like when should I buy more altcoins? I don't want to risk, any more downside, but I'd be willing to kind of buy in if it's a little bit safer. When would that level be? Well, I'm glad you asked. The 200 week, right here, the pink line, right? See how flat it is, right? That's just indecision, right? By definition, sideways moving averages, you don't really want to be getting into whatever chart you're looking at. If it's sideways like this, you want to generally be where moving averages are in a trend. Right now, I mean, all moving averages, clean it up a little bit, right? Let's take this. This one helps a lot. And even let's take off the Bollinger Bands. Let's take off the Gaussian channel, right? You want to look at a chart on the weekly, daily, whatever mindset you're in, right? You're looking at the weekly for, 6, 12 months ahead. Ideally, you want to look at a trending market. I mean, look how much time we have after these start to all trend up, right? Sideways, crossed up, not a whole lot can happen, right? When they start to trend up and get sorted out in order, that's when you need to be getting in, right? So that's where we're at, right? We have plenty of time. If you want to be safe, wait to get into altcoins more heavily, right? If you already have some, great. Just buckle up and hold on, right? We could go downside, right? Who knows? But if you're waiting to get in, you want to be the most safe bet. You just wait until we're back above like 370 billion and climbing. You want to see this EMA 8 especially, right? Look, go back to the start of the last bull run, right? Look how much time you had. You missed this move, okay, but you also missed that move, right? Maybe we're here. Maybe we're gonna do something like that. I don't know, right? Nobody knows what if another black swan event's coming, right? Who knows? Michael Burry thinks he knows, but he's batting like 0.1% since his one right call. But let's assume that you just want to sit on the sidelines for your alts and you want to be safe. Well, look how much time you had. Say after the EMA 8 crosses up and starts to move the rest of them. Say you just bought in there. Do you think you could stomach the rest of the gains in the altcoin market? If you're most people just try to get this, right? They try to time that. It's not going to happen, right? Just make it super simple. Wait till you have a trending market with moving averages. Do we have that yet? No. Now, unfortunately, we don't have a whole lot of data on Total 3. May of 2021. It's a 200 week moving average, right? So trending up, bull market, sideways, down, bear market. It's slightly down. It's still sideways. They're all sideways or down, right? So ideally you wouldn't, if you're waiting, right? If you sold the top, which, none of us sold the exact top, you're waiting. You're waiting until at least the EMA 8 is moving up. I would like to wait until we're above 365 billion back in market cap for Total 3. Hope that helps.